Hey, hi. Today we're going to review an app called Deen Buddy Quran Chat. This is an AI-powered Quran companion, and we're going to see how it works. I've tried to install it on my phone. I'm going to really take you through the issues that I landed in using this app, and we're going to see the features that you can expect when you're using this app. Okay. Now, I'm not a Muslim, but if you're kind of a person who is practicing Muslim, you know how it's important to, keep up with your daily prayers, read the Quran, and find the Qibla direction, all of that. So this app actually combines all of this, okay? Instead of having a different apps for prayer times, another one for Quran, so Deen Buddy combines all those functionalities. You can know prayer times, you can read the Quran and know the Qibla, all that stuff. Okay, so we're going to really see. I'm going to show you how to use it and important features that you're going to find in here. Okay, so it's all in one Islamic companion that I think you will find interesting. Now, for some of you who don't know what a Deen Buddy is, I can say this is a design. This is an app designed to be a complete lifestyle app for Muslims. The goal is to provide all the essential tools you need to practice your faith conveniently right from your smartphone. From prayer times to finding halal food, it aims to be your digital partner in fulfilling your daily Islamic duties. Okay, so I myself have downloaded the app, and this is the second time I'm downloading it. And though it's really hard to use this app without really paying anything. Okay, I've tried to put my card to try to claim my free week, but for some reason, actually, the card this time was kind of accepted, but it can't really actually, access the free trial. You may have to pay like around like $30 every month. That is like $60 every year to use it. And it's a reason why most of the comments people are giving it bad stars, because it's hard to use it without actually paying some money. Sorry, without paying some money in the app. Okay. So the first thing is you have to download this app from Play Store. Then you have to grant location. Location is important because the location will help the app to know where you are, to kind of calculate the right times for your prayer times and all that stuff, since actually every country has a different, time zone. Okay, so after kind of signing up in this app, one of the features that you find is accurate prayer times. Okay, first thing you see the prayer times for Fajr, Daha, ACR, I'm not really good at Islam, so but you understand, when I talk about prayer times, okay? So you can also set up notifications so that your phone gives you a beautiful adhan, that is a call to prayer, to remind you when it's time to pray. This is probably the best feature most people actually use. You can use also this app to find you can use it as a Qibla finder. Okay, you can use it as a Qibla finder, and the Qibla finder uses your phone's compass to point you directly towards Mecca. Okay, you just have to hold up your phone and then, something like that. So it will kind of actually help you to, show you the directions. Okay. Then the app itself has the Holy Quran, so you can have the Holy Quran in your pocket. This is beautifully done. You have the entire Quran available with multiple translations. Okay, you can actually even switch between the English translation, and you can even listen to the audio recitations from different carriers. It's perfect for reading on the go or during your lunch break. Okay, in the app there is actually daily. You can find their daily supplications. Okay, it has supplications for almost every situation, morning and evening. duas, prayers for when you are stressed, for traveling, for forgiveness. They are all here with Arab text, and translation. Okay, there's a digital taskbar counter. You can find mosques. Okay, halal mosque and halal finder. The future is a lifesaver, especially if you're new in town. You can use the map to find nearby mosques who halal centered restaurants and stores. Okay. So this is an app which really can really work for busy Muslims, for people who are traveling, Muslims who are trying to travel, or maybe a new Muslim, or something. So you can try to check out the Deen Buddy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in actually finding out random apps which really exist, which people don't know about. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.